Good morning, students of class 3. We have come back again to our SST class. We have already finished our syllabus. Yes? So we have to start revision. Before that, I am giving you some questions to answer with answer. So first I revise that section. After that, we will start our main chapters. Okay. First question is distinguish between. I've sent it on 25th January. Distinguish between a globe and a map. A three-dimensional model of the earth is called a globe. What is a globe? A three-dimensional model of the earth is called a globe. And what is map? A drawing of the earth's surface on a part of it on a flat surface is called a map. A drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface is called a map. Maps are two-dimensional. Is clear? Yes. Next one is land pollution and air pollution. What is land pollution? The release of harmful substances or their accumulation on land is called land pollution. Release of harmful substances or their accumulation on land is called land pollution. When harmful gases, smoke, pollen and dust particles mix with air and make it dirty, it is called air pollution. Is clear? When harmful gases, smoke, pollen and dust particles mix with air and make it dirty, it is called air pollution. Yes. Next one is what is galaxy and what is constellations. A collection of billions of stars and their solar systems is called a galaxy. A collection of billions of stars and their solar system is called a galaxy. Some stars appear in groups that may look like a figure of animals, people or things. Such groups of stars are called constellation. Some stars appear in groups that may look like figures of animals, people or things. Such groups of stars are called constellation. It's clear? Next one is what is afforestation, what is reforestation. When saplings are planted in area where there were no trees before, it is called afforestation. Where saplings and plants in areas where there were no trees before, it is called afforestation. And when saplings are planted in deforested lands, it is called reforestation. When saplings are planted on deforested lands, it is called reforestation. It's clear? Next one is tick the correct answer. Here you have to correct that tick the correct answer. Meteors, satellites move around planets. What is correct? Satellites move around planets. Globe and maps help us to study the Earth, Saturn. So answer will be globe and maps help us to study the Earth. Pollutant make the environment clean, dirty. Pollutants make the environment dirty. Matching. Unpleasant sound, that is noise, harmful chemicals, toilet cleaner, animals bathing in ponds, water pollution. It's clear? Today I am sending more questions and with answer. The question is that write any one proof that of the Earth's round shape. Write any one proof of the Earth's round shape. These questions are taken from a model test paper, okay, from your back side of the book. The answer of this question is about 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan and his crew started on a long sea journey from Spain. He kept on sailing to the west west, and after 3 years, the ships reached the same place from where they started. This proved that the earth had no edges but was round like a ball. So answer is very easy. About 500 years, Ferdinand Magellan and his crew started on a long sea journey from Spain. He kept on sailing to the west, and after 3 years, the ships reached the same place from where they started. This proved that the earth had no edges but was round like a ball. Next question is question number 2. We must plant more trees to save the environment. Give 2 reasons. This question is that we must plant more trees to save the environment, and you have to give 2 reasons. So answer is that we must plant more trees to save the environment, as trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is needed by living beings to breathe. And next point is the roots of the trees bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. I have given 2 reasons. One is we must plant more trees to save the environment, as trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is needed by living beings to breathe. And the next point is the root of the trees bind the soil and prevent soil erosion. Okay, I think you have no problem there. So you have to go through the chapters which is selected for your annual term. Okay, and you have to learn the question answers and spelling too. Then you will be able to answer all the questions and answers. Okay, so next day we will start revision from our chapters with one chapter and question answers and everything. So I think you will get all the question answers ready. You have learned the chapters properly. Thank you for today.